Hello, if you wonder what charger to use for your Xiaomi Poco X7, since the charging adapter doesn't come included with this phone, we have the information at the bottom of the box. As you can see that there is no charging adapter, but also we have the information about which charging adapter to use. And as you can see, we are supposed to use from 10 watts to 45 watts charging adapter. Also, this doesn't have to be the original Xiaomi adapter. You can use any adapter that you might have. It doesn't have to be original. Me, for example, I have this JBL charging adapter right here, and there's actually no information about the wattage, but I'm using this one to charge my phone and it works pretty well. But just remember to use the charging adapter that has from 10 watts to 45 watts power charging. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.